So in this question, we are given that Raghu has calls from top 4 institutes. Probability that he converts in interviews 50%, and we need to find the probability of Raghu converting at least one institute. So this is a question from probability, and this is an easy question. So we know that Raghu has calls from the top 4 institute. Let the 4 institute, let this be first, second, third, and the fourth institute. Now the probability that he converts in an interview is 50%. So the probability that he don't converts in an interview would be 50% again. Okay. So the probability that Raghu will not convert in this one would be 50%. That would be 0.5. The probability that Raghu would not convert in this interview too would be 0.5. And the probability that Raghu will not convert in this interview would be again 0.5, and the probability that Raghu would not convert in this interview would be 0.5. So we need to find the probability that of Raghu converting at least one interview. So we know what is the formula. We know that probability of happening of an event plus probability of not happening of an event is equals to 1. Now we have that this is the that he is not converted. How can we calculate this? That he is not converted to all the 4 institutes? Just multiply this numbers. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, this is cube of 0.5. This would give you 0.5. The cube of 5 is 625, and this is 0.065. 0.065. Okay, so we can write this as 0.065 as 6.25%. So we have the probability of not conversion, that is 6.25%, and we can write the probability one that is 100%. So we get the probability of converting an institute by Raghu, that is 100% minus 6.25%, and we'll get this as 93.75%. That means the probability of Raghu converting at least one institute comes out to be 93.75%. Again, I'll explain what we have done. We know that probability of an event and probability of not happening of that event is equals to 1. So we have calculated the probability of not conversion, that is 6.25, and we have substituted 100%, and just we have calculated the value of probability of his conversion. Thank you.